Let me show you an easy way to turn off the sounds on the Facebook app. You can turn off the app sounds when you tap buttons in the Facebook app, but you can also turn off or mute the audio sounds when you're playing video. I'll show you how to do both. Now open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. We need to get to your settings to change this. So you'll be able to see your settings. You can get to them by tapping on menu at the bottom right, or it might be at the very top right. Now let's just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and settings. And now within the settings of Facebook, you can turn off the sounds for in-app sounds. These are the button clicks when you tap on things, but you can also turn off the sounds for automatically playing reels and stories, etc. You can find that just by scrolling down, and under the preference option, we're going to tap on media. And now you can see in-app sounds. You can turn off that. But the nice thing is you can also turn off reels that start with sound and stories that start with sound if you wanted to just manually turn those sounds on when you want them.